Students, this is the basics class number 13. Let's have a discussion. Look at that reciprocal relations. In the last class, you learnt trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios. So define sin theta, students. Sin theta in terms of sides. So sin theta, you learn this very well. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So this ratio, opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. This ratio, so we represent that by sin theta. We call that ratio as sin theta, sin of angle theta, sin theta. So reciprocal. So tell me cosec, students. Reciprocal of sin theta. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal function of sin theta. It is cosec. 1 by sin. Reciprocal. Sin theta is right. Cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. Cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is the reciprocal function? Reciprocal of cos theta. Reciprocal means 1 by so right. So 1 by adjacent, right. That implies reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. So reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. Secant theta is so reversing. So hypotenuse by adjacent. Here I am doing revision, students. Let us recall that. Whatever I explained in last class, let us recall them once. Reciprocal. Look at this. What is the reciprocal of adjacent by hypotenuse? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Reciprocaling means reversing, interchanging. So right. Tan theta. So tell me tan theta, students. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So reciprocal of tan is cot. So reciprocal of tan is cot. Cot is reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of opposite by adjacent? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by opposite. By head this. You by head these things, students. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. Cosec theta hypotenuse by opposite. Reciprocal function. Cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Secant theta hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan theta opposite by adjacent. Cot theta adjacent by opposite. Let us connect these reciprocal functions. Now look at this, students. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So right. Go for reciprocal. This can be written as 1 by hypotenuse by opposite. So on reversing, again opposite side goes to numerator. We will get back this. So 1 by what is hypotenuse by opposite, students? Hypotenuse by opposite is nothing but cosec theta. Cosec theta. Therefore, finally we got sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Or by head this. What is sin theta? 1 by cosec theta. Cosecant theta. Or cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Or sin theta into cosecant theta. Sin theta into cosecant theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1. Sin theta into cosec theta is 1. Because sin theta is 1 by cosec. Cosec get cancels. theta is 1 by sin get cancels. You can cross check in any way. Sin theta into cosecant theta is 1. So these relations are called as reciprocal relations. So these relations are called as reciprocal relations. You must be perfect in trigonometry, students. If I go for higher classes, you will come across these things more frequently. You people will come across these things more frequently. So have a word on these things. Similarly, I write directly. First one. Second one, cos theta, you only do this. Cos theta is 1 by secant theta. So OR secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. OR. So cos theta into secant theta equals 1. Why cos into secant 1? A quantity, any quantity into its reciprocal must be 1. X into what is the reciprocal of x? 1 by x. X into 1 by x should be equal to 1. Right? So third one, tan theta. So what is tan theta? 1 by cot theta. You find these things on your own. So in this way, you can do that also. You can find these things also. Tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta. 1 by cot theta. So OR cot theta equals 1 by tan theta. So cross multiply. So tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Reciprocal relations. These relations are called as reciprocal relations. So next, let us go for next simple concept. Signs of trigonometric functions. Signs of trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios. So trigonometric ratios. Signs of trigonometric functions. So look at this, students. So write. Signs of trigonometric functions. So look at this. So x-axis, so y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, right. You take this, students, triangle. So theta, this is opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse side. So look at this, students, opposite side. It is along positive y-axis. Adjacent side, it is along the positive x-axis. So that opposite is positive. Opposite side, it is along positive x-axis. That means it should be opposite side value should be positive. Opposite is positive. In first quadrant, opposite is positive. Adjacent is positive. Adjacent is along positive x-axis. Positive. So hypotenuse. There is no sign for hypotenuse because hypotenuse is neither be along positive x-axis nor be along positive y-axis. Hypotenuse side, see, does not have any sign. We always take hypotenuse as positive because it is neither along positive x-axis neither along positive y-axis. hypotenuse is always positive. Hypotenuse is always positive. Now let's find signs of trigonometric functions in first quadrant. This is first quadrant. First quadrant, sin theta in first quadrant. In first quadrant, sin theta. What is sin theta, students? Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse. So what about opposite? Sign of opposite, it is positive. Here I consider only signs. Signs. What is the sign of opposite in first quadrant? Positive. Positive. By hypotenuse is always positive. Positive by positive. Positive value. Positive. All values of sin theta in first quadrant are positive. Sin theta values should be positive in first quadrant. Sin theta values should be positive in first quadrant. That means sin theta is positive in first quadrant. So similarly, cosecant theta. If sin theta is positive, its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of sin theta? Cosec theta. Cosec is reciprocal of sin. It must be positive. Positive. So because plus by plus, reciprocaling that plus by plus gives us plus by plus only. It must be positive. Next go for cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So from this adjacent side is positive. Adjacent side is positive. Hypotenuse side is always positive. Again it is positive. So right, positive. Cos theta is also positive in first quadrant. All cos theta values in first quadrant must be positive values. Cos theta takes positive values in first quadrant. If cos theta becomes positive in first quadrant, its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of cos? Secant theta is also positive. Secant theta is positive. So right. So third one. So tan theta. So tan theta opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent. So in first quadrant, opposite side, this length is, vertical length is positive because it is along positive y-axis. Positive. This value is, this length is positive. Positive length. This length is also positive. Positive length. Positive length by positive length. Positive. Positive value only. This adjacent is also positive. Plus by plus. Plus. Tan theta positive. Even cot theta is also positive. Cot theta is positive. From this it is so clear. All trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant. All trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant. All are positive. All are positive in first quadrant. In first quadrant. All are positive in first quadrant. Let us do the same thing. Let us do the same thing in second quadrant. I move on to second quadrant. So right. In second quadrant. So in second quadrant, let us move into second quadrant. Second quadrant, if I go for second quadrant, this is second quadrant. So look at this students. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, so opposite side is positive. Opposite is positive. What about adjacent side, students? In second quadrant, adjacent is negative. Adjacent is negative. So right. Next, hypotenuse. As I told you, this is hypotenuse. Adjacent, opposite. Hypotenuse is always positive. Using that, let us check signs of trigonometric functions. Sin theta, as usual, opposite side by hypotenuse. So tell me, opposite side, is it positive value or negative value? So that opposite side, the length is positive. It is positive. Hypotenuse is always positive. Positive by positive. Sin theta is positive. It's reciprocal. Cosecant theta is also positive. So this implies cosecant theta is positive. So now go for second one. Cos theta. What is cos theta in second quadrant? Adjacent by hypotenuse. In second quadrant, adjacent is negative because negative length. So adjacent side, it is along negative x-axis, means it should be negative value. Opposite to positive value, negative. By hypotenuse is always positive. You know this very well. Minus by plus, negative. So cos theta values, all cos theta values in second quadrant are negative. Reciprocal of negative must be negative only. Reciprocal of -1. What is the reciprocal of -1? 1 by -1. 1 by -1 is nothing but -1. Negative. Secant theta is also negative. So now come to third one. So tan theta. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Tell me opposite value, students. Opposite, it is along y-axis, positive. By adjacent side, it is negative. It is along negative. Plus by minus, minus by plus, one and the same. It should be negative. So tan theta negative. So what is the reciprocal of tan? Cot theta is also negative. From this it is so clear. So from that it is so clear. So in second quadrant, sin and its reciprocal are positive. Sin means sin theta. In second quadrant, sin means sin theta. Sin and its reciprocal. Sin and its reciprocal are positive. And all other. So trigonometric functions are negative. All other trigonometric functions are negative. In second quadrant, only sin and its reciprocal are positive. So and other trigonometric functions becomes negative. Let us move on to, let us do the same thing in third quadrant. Let us go for, so third quadrant. So third quadrant. So let us do the same thing in third quadrant. So right. In third quadrant, so you come to third quadrant, students. So right. This is opposite side. Adjacent. As usual, hypotenuse is neither along positive x-axis nor along positive y-axis. So we always take hypotenuse side as positive length. No sign for that actually. So right. Come to this third quadrant. In third quadrant, this is third quadrant. Third quadrant. In third quadrant, opposite is negative. So negative. Even adjacent is also negative. Length of adjacent side is negative value. This side is on negative side. Negative. It is just like -1, -2. So right there. So now sin theta. Opposite by hypotenuse. So what about opposite? Sign of that opposite side negative. Sign of that opposite side is negative. Hypotenuse side is positive. Always positive. Minus by plus minus negative. So right. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. Negative. If sin theta is negative, its reciprocal should also be negative. Should be negative. So right, second one. Cos theta. So tell me cos theta. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. In third quadrant, adjacent is negative. Hypotenuse is positive. Minus by plus minus negative. Cos theta is negative. Since cos theta is negative, its reciprocal secant theta is also negative. Third one. So tan theta. Opposite by adjacent. So opposite side. So in third quadrant, opposite side is negative. So negative. Adjacent side is negative. Minus by minus plus. Minus by minus plus becomes positive. Minus into minus plus. Minus by minus is also plus. Cot theta is also positive. From this it is so clear, students, in third quadrant, tan and cot are positive, other functions are negative. In third quadrant, so tan and cot are positive and other functions are negative. Other functions are negative. So in third quadrant, tan and cot positive, other trigonometric functions becomes negative. Lastly, let us go for fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant, let's have a discussion about fourth quadrant. So right, fourth quadrant. So right, this is about the fourth quadrant. So opposite side. Opposite side. In fourth quadrant. So opposite side is so negative. Negative. Adjacent side is positive. Positive. Adjacent is positive. Sides, using this, you go for finding signs of trigonometric functions. I think you are going to get so right fourth quadrant. So sin theta negative, you only do that. Sin theta negative, cosecant theta negative. So right, next, so right, cos theta positive. Cos theta positive, is that correct? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Reciprocal, secant theta is also positive. So next, so tan theta negative, cot theta is also negative. Cot theta is negative. Cot theta is negative. That is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive, and other functions are negative. All other functions are so negative. I hope you understood, students. So we shall have more discussions so about same thing in that next class. So right now let us stop this class. Thank you. So right.